Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make the perfect waffle. We're gonna be making it 3 ways: regular, Oreo, and red velvet.
Oh yeah.
To a bowl, we're gonna be adding about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, about ½ a teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And just give that a quick mix so all the ingredients can get combined. Now we're gonna be making the wet ingredients. Into a separate bowl, we're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2/3 cup of milk, and 1 whole egg. And then just give this a quick whisk. The reason we want the wet ingredients separated from the dry ingredient is because we don't wanna overmix the batter. This is the exact consistency I'm looking for, not too smooth, but also not too lumpy.
Wow! Beautiful!
Now we just want to preheat our waffle maker before we pour the batter in. Now I'm going to be pouring about 1 cup of the batter into the waffle maker. Spread it out gently. Oh, look at that. Perfect amount. Close the top, and then we're going to flip the waffle maker.
Yeah, boy.
Don't flip! Whoop. We want to let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. The steam is a good sign. That means everything is getting cooked pretty well. We're just gonna wait about 1 more minute and then open it up and take a look. The waffle is officially ready. I'm gonna put this on a wire rack to let it fully cool down on both sides. Next stop is Oreo waffles. First, we want to be crushing up about 24 Oreo cookies. This should equal to about 2 cups of crushed up Oreos. Now into the same bowl, we're just going to be adding 1 1/4 cup of milk, 2 whole eggs, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're just going to whisk everything together. This one smells absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to taste it. That looks absolutely amazing. Next stop on the waffle train is red velvet waffles. Into a bowl, we're gonna be mixing together 1 1/2 cups of flour, ½ a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and ½ a teaspoon of baking powder. Then just mix together the dry ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, we're gonna be going in with ½ a cup of milk, 1 cup of buttermilk. This is actually the difference maker in red velvet cake.
Nice.
½ stick of melted butter, 2 whole eggs. Oh, I got 1. I got the second one. Let's go. Let's go. I got them both. And what makes red velvet cake red is actually just red food coloring. I'm gonna go in with about 1 tablespoon of it. Just like before, we don't want to overmix this, so gently mix everything together. I'm excited. Now for my favorite part, taste testing them. We're gonna start with the original. That looks like the perfect bite. Oh yeah. Can't go wrong with the original. I mean, this recipe is bonkers. Let's jump into Oreo. Yes, this smells delicious. I mean, it's Oreo. Last one, red velvet. Bon appetit. Oh my goodness. This was absolutely delicious. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah.